How many restaurateurs do you know that actually know about networking? Don't even waste time unplugging things, resetting things, trying to troubleshoot things. Just call us, right?
Yeah.
Because that's not your specialty. I can't cook to save my life, so I don't.
One thing that was always taught to me is in a restaurant, there's no such thing as free time. There's just reallocating time. And if I can reallocate time from sitting at the end of a shift, sorting through invoices, to going home earlier and getting an extra hour of sleep, seeing my family, I think about the financial implication. Like, people, when they're at their best, provide a better product. And when you provide better products, you make more money, right? So how much can we eliminate of this like $1 time and start returning $10 time? Because if I can ensure that that product that is being sent out is to the standard that I want, because I'm not in the back office, or I made sure that the supply chain was up to snuff, and that random SKU that changed through my broadliner that slipped through the cracks is no longer slipping through the cracks, so we can keep that consistency. What I'm seeing is this opportunity for a basis points business, which are restaurants, to start to get a leg ahead. Because one thing is, and I'm sure you know as well as I do, there are so many bloody things happening in a restaurant.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. I mean,
on top of dealing with guests.
That's why we like to take the tech stack out of their hands.
Yeah.
How many restaurateurs do you know that actually know about networking?
Yeah.
Right? Don't even waste time unplugging things, resetting things, trying to troubleshoot things. Just call us, right?
Yeah.
Because that's not your specialty. I can't cook to save my life, so I don't. Right? I know my strengths. I know my weaknesses. That's one of them. I'm not the cook in the house. It's my wife.
Yeah.
And so you think about like worry and perfect that. Spend more time on that, and then it just returns
completely
tenfold.
Completely. How important is it, from your perspective, on choosing the right partners? Obviously, both of us come from the hospitality industry, and we understand how to speak that language. Being in that industry. But outside of the things that you and I both do, when you're looking to bringing on a new restaurant management system, you're looking to bring on a new reservation management system, like, how important do you find picking those right partners really are?
Extremely. So I paused there. I'm going to go back to the beginning with the brand, right? The reason why F3 as a brand has been so successful is that, like, these restaurants and bars and hotels know that we were going to bend over backwards, blow things up if we have to. We are going to not move until we solve that problem. Either we can solve it, or we're going directly to the POS, and we're going to raise enough alarms that we're going to get it solved, right? And so when it comes to being a partner with us, I look for that type of response in a partner. We get, I kid you not, at least 20 requests a month to be partners with F3.
Yeah. And
it's cool. But if you're not the F3 standard in your own industry, I don't want to.
Yeah.
I want someone that if something breaks, Arun Kumar is a prime example. Something was wrong with Incentivio. I called her like, yo, I need this fixed like ASAP because I vouch for you. And my vouch doesn't just go for anyone. I have to be able to know that I can call you when things are on fire and you can help firefight with me.
Yeah.
Because you don't know the background of that restaurant or that collective or that person. You don't know what they're going through.
Yeah.
And then again, you have smaller margins and every dollar counts. We had an AWS outage.
Yeah.
How much did that affect the restaurant industry right there? Who's fighting for them?
Yeah. So
I'm very big on partners being that way. And that's why even before we collaborated, you guys were right in our wheelhouse. It was the brand was based upon core values that matter and giving back and helping restaurants, not making an extra 15 points.
Yeah. Well, I think ultimately, as a company that's partnered now with F3 and shares that value, we can either try to shave off a few basis points here or do it the right way and win 15 more deals. And in the grand scheme of things, that's going to make you more money in the long run. Is it going to take you more time? Definitely.
But that's fun, right? Coming out and winning and continuing to win, that's the fun of it all. And that's the wins are what you start chasing.
Yeah.
You want to have more wins, not just for yourself, but for your brand, for your employees, for your personal life. You want more wins. So you're correct.
Yeah.
15 more wins is going to feel 15 times more better.
Exactly. Than, cutting a corner somewhere one time that screws everything up.
Right.